Welcome to Kingsfield Academy. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to skive. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel, please. Thank you. So let's get the ball rolling. Skiving in simple terms means reducing of the edges of the leather to achieve a seamless joint. So let's get the ball rolling. How do you skive? What are the things needed to help you achieve this aim? So one of the things needed is you'll be needing a cutter blade, and two, you need a flat surface. Some people use wood, just as I'm using here, right? The next is how you place your cutter to help you achieve this. Is you slant your cutter. You can see how it's done here. You slant the cutter blade. It must be slanted, right? Then you move your hands calmly. Move your hands calmly, right? Make sure it's a new or a very sharp cutter blade. Then you move your hands calmly, right? As a beginner, you might be tempted to exert unnecessary pressure. You need to avoid and reject that temptation. So you need to avoid it. You move your hands calmly and swiftly. In few seconds, you see yourself achieving this. It's too easy. Right? So here we help you achieve things that seem difficult at ease in shorter period. So you can see the outcome of what it looks like. See the edges tiny, right? So it's so easy. So you give it a try. I want to know what your outcome looks like too. So let's not forget the aim of skiving, to achieve a seamless joint. So work with me. Let's add a different part of the shoe to it, right? So you see the outcome. See how smooth it would be on the outer part, on the upper part of the shoe. So you won't see those imprinting of the leathers on top of the shoes. You will see those looks like bumps. You see how smooth it is because of the skiving. Right. Skiving is a very important part of the shoe. Very important skill. Skill 2 that's needed. Every shoemaker, be it let me not say just, but if you make just slides and sandals, or you make shoes, you need this skill. It was nice having in class up to this very moment. Kindly like, share, drop a comment. I want to know what your outcome looks like, right? Drop a comment. If this was helpful to you, drop a comment also, right? Please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you. See you by next Friday.